Hey everybody, welcome back to the Frugalfinneas channel. I'm Phineas. Okay, so today we're going to talk about our fall electric bill, and then I'll show you a little bit of food haul. I got an order from Sam's Club, shipped for like $53, small, and then I stopped by Walmart, just pick up a couple things because I'm going to make this meatball stroganoff thingy I saw on another YouTube channel, so I had to pick up some things for that. And we'll go over that. That was like $23. Still like $80 for the food. That's still a lot, I guess. But all right, so let's talk about fall electric bills first. So fall for a lot of us, not for all of us. If you're in Florida, you can pump the air conditioner all the way through. I know, I've been there. But for a lot of us, fall is a sweet spot where our electric gets a break because we stop using the air conditioning in summer, and we don't have to use the heat for 3, 4 months yet until winter hits us. So we get a little, 3 months, 2, 3 months worth of savings in our electric bill, and they're pretty good savings. I'll give you an example. Okay, last month it was summer in Missouri. It's hot, so my electric bill was 300. Now that's a big one. I don't know why it was 300. I'm pretty frugal with my air conditioning, but it was 300. So I got my electric bill yesterday, and it was $83. That's how much of a difference when you just stop using air conditioning because we're starting to see fall now. That's a $217 difference in that 1 month. Now I don't know if it'll always be that good, but you definitely get some savings when you stop using the air and you're not using the heat yet. So what I like to do is use that money either to knock off debt if you have debt, or put it into savings. Put it in your emergency fund, or maybe finish a project you're working on, or a repair. Now, I'm going to use it for repair. I have two one-car garage doors. So one of my garage door openers is starting to get funky. It's old. It's starting to stick and not work. So it's a perfect time for that because of fall. I save some money on my air conditioner. So I'll just show you. I don't want to show you. But so I bought holy crap, that's heavy. My garage door opener. They're going to come install it next Friday. But what a perfect time because I already saved $217 from last month's electric bill. This was $360 installed. That's a big one. But because the electric bill that takes a chunk off it, and it's gonna pay for this because our electric bill is gonna be lower because of the weather, which is perfect. So take that money, and you can ballpark it. Take that money and do something with it. Either save it, debt, a project, or a repair. Because we got 3 months of pretty good savings on the electric bill because of the weather. I love it. All right, so let's go over the Sam's. We'll go to Sam's Club first. I actually love Sam's Club. All right, so first thing I had to buy, which I haven't bought these in years. I actually reuse these, but I'm totally out for first time in a long time, and they're expensive. The gallon size Ziploc freezer bags. I love these things. I should have put on that video I made 10 uses of Dawn. I should have put this because I rewash these. I put a dab of Dawn in there, scrub it with hot water, and I reuse the baggies. I've been doing it for forever, but I'm finally out because I got some meat. I bought some more hamburger meat, so I'm completely out. So this should last me forever, right? 152 bags, plus I got a ton already in the freezers. I mean, I'll never run out, right? This is a crazy amount. This was actually on sale. It was $13.99. I think it was $2 off from Sam's. But 152 of these bags, I don't know. That's gonna last. That's gonna last forever. Sam's. All right. This is kind of cool. Speaking of fall, these are my glasses on. This is just pumpkin spice baking mix, multi-purpose. You can make bread, pumpkin bread, pancakes, cookies. I thought that was cool. You have to add water, vegetable oil, and eggs, and you can make cookies, pancakes, or pumpkin bread, pumpkin spice bread. It's not healthy for you. Let's see how many calories just this is. Let's see. 170 calories for about a third cup of the mix. So we'll eat this sparingly for the holidays. But these were, how much were these? Can't remember. Let me look. I can look right now on the app. I thought it was cool. I didn't realize there was so many. It's so big. There's three pouches in each box. So there's 6 pouches. Maybe I'll give my sister one. Let's see. I'll pull up my app and I can see what these cost. 'Cause I'm curious now. Let's see. There it is. These cost. They were $1 off, $6.48 for one. So you get 3 pouches. So like $2 and 20 cents per pouch. I don't know. I'll make it and see what it tastes like. That was kind of fun. Then I just got a regular old thing of Bush's baked beans. I only have like 2 cans of baked beans in my pantry. I've been wanting some of these for some reason lately. How much was this? This was 8 count for $11. Big old box. And that was my Sam's order, but I still have a 8 pack of diced tomatoes coming that they didn't ship with this one. It was $6 for 8 pack of diced tomatoes, 14-ounce diced tomatoes for chili and stuff for the winter. But that hasn't arrived yet. And then went to Walmart. I feel like I live at Walmart. There's a lot of people making good comments about Walmart's not always the cheapest, and that's true too. With this meatball thing I'm making, meatballs are cheaper at Sam's than at Walmart, and they're owned by the same company, I believe. I believe they still are. So Walmart's not always the cheapest. Sometimes all it is, you just got to shop around. I'm in a smaller town. Walmart's the big daddy here, and then we got Aldi, the next town, and the next big town over. They have everything, but I don't go that far. Maybe I go to Sam's once in a while. All right, let's do the Walmart. Let's do the Walmart now. All right. So I'm making the meatball stroganoff thingy in a crock pot that I saw on a YouTube channel. And I would mention the YouTube channel because she made a cool video about it. Made it look easy. I don't know YouTube etiquette. Do other YouTubers want me to mention their channel? I don't know. So I won't mention it. But I don't know. All right. So sour cream, $2. But this is for the meatball thing. Thing of cheese for my sandwiches. I know it's not real cheese. That was $3. Beef broth. This was like 68 cents, I believe. This is for the meatball stroganoff. Cream of mushroom, 68 cents for the meatball recipe. Then I got these. I'm going to buy these every time I go. The turkey, $1.99. I did a review on this because it's a good price. $1.99 ground turkey. In my last video, I did a review on this because I made some tacos with it. I want to see because it could be, this could not taste good, but it was super good for $1.99 for a pound of it. Way cheaper than ground beef. So I recommend this highly. $1.99 or $1.97, something like that. And I had it with tacos, and you can make it with anything you make with ground beef for $2. I completely recommend this. Then I got some tater tots. You guys ever make tater tot casserole with the cream of chicken soup, some ground beef, onions, peas, carrots, anything you want to throw in there? It was cheaper to buy the Big Daddy than the small one. That's the only reason I bought the big bag. The big bag was $6, I believe. I should have kept the receipt. The receipt's out there. But that lasts a while. That's a big bag. And then egg noodles. This is for the meatball stroganoff recipe I'm going to do. This was $2.30. I'm trying to remember the prices the best I can. And then I bought some of these but on the last a couple hauls ago. Snaps, appetizers, cream cheese, pepper bites. Just for the holidays. $1.24 a box, so about 3 boxes. I think it'd be a cool snack for the holidays. I know. Last time I bought the potato skin ones, but for $1.24, we'll give them a try, right? And that is about it. Hold on. I'll get Bentley. Bentley's outside. Hold on. Is it going? Bentley, come here, Bentley. Come here, say hi. Bentley, come here. Oh, there she is. Where is she? Whoop. Bentley. Bentley. Ah, there she is. Oh, she's a pretty girl. Oh, she's a pretty girl. Yeah, she's a pretty girl. Oh, yeah, she's a pretty girl. Oh, yeah, she's so happy. Look at that face. Face makes me laugh. All right, guys. That's the video for today. Highly recommend this. I can't recommend this stuff enough. $1.99 in place of ground beef is a deal. Game changer. Thanks for watching the video so much. I will see you guys on the next video.